Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. As always, my name is Sean, and I am your host on this channel. And yeah, let's get some stuff going. Today, I'm gonna be doing something pretty quick. I had an idea for it because it was a piece that my brother had bought for his Mustang, right? And for his lip, for his front lip. His front lip is a carbon fiber front lip, which again, I'll get into showing you more like in detail, in depth on all of my homies' cars, right? I'm gonna try to do like a character bio video for each of them. Kind of in the works, so be on the lookout for that. Which I kind of go through step by step in detail each of them individually about their cars and everything like that. But what I want to kind of show you guys today, because we went and picked up, you know, these little moldings, like little, the moldings that you either put on the side of the door or really wherever you feel they're gonna fit. He bought these. Well, we went and picked up a couple things, and we bought this specifically for his car. It's carbon fiber, right? At least carbon fiber print or whatever the hell, how they make this. And he only it's like 18 feet. He only needed so much footage for his front lip, the carbon fiber lip that he has. And when he put it on, I was like, yeah, nice. And this was what was left over, right? So I was kind of having an idea. He was telling me, he's like, yo, why don't you put it on the side of the door, like how normal people would normally have it, like right here on the little edge crease down. And I was like, I think, yeah, it looked okay. And if anybody that's in, that's driving next to my car would be like, okay, it's different, but I don't know, it gave off a sense of corny to me. Like, people who get it will get it. They'll be like, okay, yo, that's cool. I like how you incorporated something so minor into your build. But I was like, nah, let's think of another way we can put it, right? Initially, I wanted to put it down there to the what you call it, those things right there, the winglets. I wanted to put it down there on the winglet, but the winglet depth is too thick to put these on. So I was like thinking of other different ways. And then I came across, well, actually my brother was like, well, maybe you should try to put it on the roof spoiler, right? Now, this is the roof. As you guys know, I did put out that video of me putting the louver that I have over there. I did get it and I do have it, but I'm changing the tape on it because I got some better tape. That tape there just wasn't working, and ever so often I would come out and then it'll be lifted a little bit. So I bought some really good Gorilla Glue double-sided tape, 15-pound, that's coming in. But my brother gave me a nice little genius idea. He's like, yo, why don't you put it on the roof spoiler? So let me flip the camera around so I can kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so my brother was like, yo, why don't you put it, on here? Even though there's a little bit of a crease and a curve, when I put it on initially, I was a little, okay. You know what I'm saying? And you guys know that I'm trying to like really give off accents, real cool accents of carbon throughout this car. Like I'm really trying to give that effect. And again, this is something some people won't even really know, like when you're driving by them or whatever, they won't notice this. But if you had a car meet or a car show and somebody like, oh, what is that little, you know what I'm saying? So imagine this being across there, long ways, and then you got the carbon fiber window louvers here, carbon fiber trunk, soon to be carbon fiber, I said trunk, hood, carbon fiber trunk, little accents of the carbon fiber gas cover. You know what I mean? Just small little accents of carbon fiber throughout the car. I was also thinking if I have enough left, right, after I put this from here all the way over there, if I have enough left to do two sides, I want to put one right down here on this side and on the left side for the little created piece that I made. So I want to put one, you know what I'm saying, just across here, not down, not over, nothing like that. Just kind of, just to see. I don't want to go overkill. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do, more than what I really need to. So I'm thinking that'll work. And if it looks corny to me, I'm taking it off. I definitely don't want to give off rice, even though so many people will probably say some of the things that I've done with this car is questionably rice. But I know what looks good to me, and I'm always shooting for different. So let's do it, y'all. So another thing I want to also show you guys, this molding material inside of it has almost like double-sided tape, sticky material inside. So just gonna add a little bit of heat with the heat gun. Nothing crazy, because you don't want to melt it or anything like that. Just low heat. That's it. Nothing crazy. All right, so I'm finally done, guys. It was a quick little simple mod. Nothing too crazy. It didn't take too much of my time, even though it is nighttime. It really didn't. I was spending majority of my time just messing around on the phone with my brothers. But yeah, just a really quick and simple way to kind of like add certain pieces of flair that you may consider, hey, how is this gonna work? How am I gonna implement this with my car? Yeah, those moldings are for the inner door, right? That's what they're for. But again, like I always tell you guys, you don't always have to follow the rules. You don't always have to stick to what something say to use. This is what this whole channel is about, is coming outside of the norm, not sticking to everybody's views on how your car should be. This is a piece that's for a damn door, and I repurposed it to make it look just a little more cooler and give a little more attention to the roof spoiler and this whole back area. Something that people probably won't even think about trying to add to this. You know what I'm saying? I did it. And I had a couple pieces left, like in terms of length, to add it to the this little bottom diffuser flare that I put on the car. I mean, it came out pretty well. Like I say, it's such a small, addition. And again, this may or may not even be, noticed, but you could definitely see the carbon fiber in there. Like it gives a certain flair, a certain, attention to certain parts. And again, trying to keep this car within a nice blend of carbon fiber and black and the little extra pieces that I have all, on the car, it adds a little bit more. All I have left is that little wound up piece right there, which I probably won't put it anywhere. I don't think I'm gonna kind of overkill this with, certain accent pieces. So that'll probably get put to my little area behind me with all my crap on it. But yeah, I think it looks kind of good, man. Again, so let's go ahead and close out the video. All right, guys, so that's the video right there. I'm hoping you guys, like I say, took something from what I did today. It's probably going to be a relatively short video, maybe 10 or so minutes, if that, you know what I'm saying? And again, I think it came out pretty well. Just small little pieces, small little things can really, really add to your build. And you don't even know it, you know what I'm saying? So, find certain things that can really set your car apart from everybody else. It's not hard to do. You know what I'm saying? You just got to say in yourself, am I straddling that line of rice, which I kind of hate that word, but it's so widely used. Am I straddling that line of rice as opposed to something that looks cool? You know what I'm saying? Because not everything looks cool, because the way people kind of, describe everything is always rice. When you don't do something that's set in stone, everybody call it rice. So This, what I just did in this video, might be considered rice because it doesn't stick to the norm. But again, when you guys see what I got cooking up with the next phases of this car, you guys are gonna be like, yeah, this dude, he had the game plan all along. So yeah, guys, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. I hope as the videos progress, you guys would basically see that I'm especially my new viewers. I'm getting a lot of new viewers, a lot of people coming to my channel, a lot of people commenting. So that's amazing that you guys are doing that. I really appreciate that. And a lot of people coming to my Instagram. So that's kind of dope too. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys really enjoy the content that I'm bringing. If you have anything, you know, positive or, you know, pseudo negative, because I really ignore those negative comments. But if you got something pseudo negative, maybe something that's going to help, you know, maybe videos or something I can do to my car or something that you would see that you would like to see done, put in the comments. Go down below and just write up what you feel. You know what I'm saying? I try to like engage with all of the comments, you know, that I get. So yeah, I'm rambling. Anyway, as I always say, y'all, stay grateful, stay humble. Probably the most important thing you can do, as I always say, is stay driven. All right, 1.